The honey badger, Mellivora capensis, is a small predator weighing 9 to 16 kilograms. It lives across Africa and the Middle East. Despite its size, it has a reputation as one of the most fearless animals in the world. Its survival is built on several key adaptations. Its skin is thick, loose, and elastic, protecting it from bites, claws, and even bee stings. If attacked, it can twist inside its own skin and strike back. Its powerful jaws and long claws allow it to dig burrows, break tough food, and hunt dangerous prey like snakes. It is also highly resistant to venom. After a cobra or viper bite, it may collapse, but soon recovers and continues moving. The honey badger is an opportunistic predator. It eats honey, larvae, insects, reptiles, birds, and small mammals. It adapts to whatever food is available. But its defining trait is its behavior. It rarely retreats. In dangerous situations, it chooses direct confrontation. Even large predators like lions and hyenas sometimes avoid it. This strategy allows it to survive in many environments, from savannas to mountainous regions.
The capybara, Hydrocharis hydrocharis, is the largest rodent in the world, weighing up to 65 kilograms. It lives across South America. It is often called the diplomat of the animal world for its peaceful interactions with other species. Its survival is built on social behavior and physiology. As an herbivore, it poses little threat to others, reducing conflict. Capybaras live in groups of 10 to 20 individuals, sometimes up to 100 during dry seasons. They maintain bonds through grooming, touch, and vocal communication. This social structure helps them detect predators and share resources. Their size and relatively thick skin make them less vulnerable. Their calm nature allows them to coexist with birds, monkeys, and even caimans. Birds often perch on capybaras, feeding on parasites. In return, capybaras gain early warning of danger. This tolerance and group dynamics support survival in wetlands and river ecosystems where resources are limited and predators are common. In this environment, a peaceful strategy becomes a powerful form of defense.
The female octopus, especially deep-sea species like Granulodon boreopacifica, shows one of the most extreme forms of parental care in the animal kingdom. After laying her eggs, she guards them continuously. Her key adaptation is total sacrifice. She stops hunting, stops feeding, and does not leave the clutch. Instead, she carefully tends the eggs. She gently blows water over them to supply oxygen, cleans them from debris, and protects them from predators. In deep-sea species, this period can last up to 4.5 years. During this time, special glands in her brain suppress the urge to eat, keeping her focused entirely on the eggs. As the months pass, her body weakens, her skin becomes pale, she grows thinner and more fragile. Shortly after the young hatch, she dies. This extreme sacrifice greatly increases the survival of her offspring in an environment where eggs are highly vulnerable. It is a clear example of an all-or-nothing reproductive strategy, trading the life of the parent for the next generation. In herds of African elephants, Loxodonta africana, leadership belongs to the oldest female, the matriarch. She leads a family group of 4 to 14 individuals. This system is built on memory and experience. Elephants can live up to 70 years, and the matriarch stores decades of knowledge. She remembers water sources, migration routes, dangerous areas, and how to respond to predators. During droughts, experienced matriarchs guide the herd to distant water, relying on memories from past crises. They can also distinguish between familiar and unfamiliar elephant calls and even detect differences in the voices of lions. These cognitive abilities increase the survival of the entire herd, especially the young. The matriarchal structure allows knowledge to pass between generations, making the group more resilient to environmental change. When the oldest female is lost, the herd often becomes less stable and its chances of survival decrease.
Many species of ducks, along with some shorebirds, use a distraction tactic to protect their nests. The female pretends to be injured to lure predators away. This adaptation is known as the broken wing display. The bird lowers one wing, limps, calls loudly, and slowly moves away from the nest. To a predator, it looks like an easy target. Ground predators like foxes take the bait and give chase. The farther they move from the nest, the safer the eggs become. Then, at the right moment, the bird suddenly flies away. This strategy avoids direct confrontation. It costs little energy, but can save the entire clutch. Similar behaviors evolved in many bird species as an effective way to protect exposed nests. Camouflage hides the eggs, but this tactic actively defends them. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is the presence of something stronger, instinct, purpose, or care. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.